press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the second chapter, teeth and microbes. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about functions of teeth, sets of teeth and kinds of teeth according work they do. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars, and the structure of teeth, structure of a tooth, and then care of teeth, and the methods of caring of our teeth, and then about the microbes and the different kinds of microbes. Some are useful and some are harmful to us. Yes or no? About all these things we studied in the previous sessions. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the exercise. Yes, I am written some mains of this lesson. Okay, one by one questions we are going to solve. Okay, so first main is tick the correct answer. Second, T for true and F for false statements. Next, fill in the blanks. Fourth one, answer the following. Yes, so first main is tick the correct answer or a correct option. Yes, in this main they are giving one of the statement. Okay, one of the statement is there. See, belongs this statement they are giving some options. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಟಿಕ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, how many teeth are there in a set of temporary teeth? How many teeth are there in a set of temporary teeth? Option first 10, option B 16, C 20. See, in our temporary teeth contain how many teeth? 20 teeth. How many teeth? 20 teeth are there in temporary, means milk teeth. What about the permanent teeth? Permanent teeth contain how many teeth? 32 teeth. Okay, see, temporary consists how many teeth? 20 teeth. In each jaw 10, upper jaw 10 and lower jaw 10. Total 20 teeth are there. Okay, next main. Second one, how many incisors are there in each jaw? How many incisors are there in each jaw? See, option first 2, B 4, C 8. See, in each jaw consists 4 incisors. See, incisors andre there helps to cut the food. So front namage 4 teeth ideyalla adu ನಾವು incisors ಅಂತೀವಿ. See here the what question they asking, in each jaw ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾದು ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So in each jaw consists 4, total 8. So what you have to write? Option B 4. Okay, next one, which teeth are also called tearing teeth? Which teeth is also called tearing teeth? Option incisors, canine, premolars. So you know incisors helps to cut the food, canines helps to tear the food, so that's why we call tearing teeth, and premolars helps to crack the food, so that's why we call the cracking teeth. So what the question has said, tearing teeth. Which teeth are called tearing teeth? Incisors? No. Canines? Yes, canines are called tearing teeth. So third answer is canine teeth. Okay, next fourth one, the portion of a tooth inside jawbone is called the neck, root, crown. See, the portion of the tooth inside jawbone, inside means so jawbone na ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ neck ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಾ? No. Crown is above the jawbone, and root is inside the jawbone. So which one is correct answer? Root is the correct answer. See, the roots are inside the jawbone, not above, and the crown is above the jawbone, and the neck is in between. Okay, so that's why root is the correct answer. Next, Which one is important for healthy teeth and gums? Which one is important for healthy teeth and gums? Calcium, vitamin C. Third option, both A and B. Yes, you know, you already learned. So calcium and vitamins are healthy for teeth and also gums. So which one which one answer is correct? Both A and B. So fifth one, both. Option A and B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Disease causing microbes are called. Disease causing microbes are called germs, insects, bacteria. So disease causing microbes are called what? Germs. Disease causing microbes are called germs. Okay. See, first main is finish. So take the correct answers is finish. So next one main is write T for true and F for false statements. Okay. Yes, first one statement. See here in the true or false. For they are giving one of the statement. See, first you read the statement. See, that statement is true. Is it correct? You have to write true. Okay. If it is a false, if it is a wrong, you have to write what? False for F. Okay. First question. Teeth are hard bony structures. Teeth are hard bony structure. Yes, it is true. And second one, our tongue does not touch the teeth while pronouncing certain words. Our tongue does not touch the teeth while pronouncing certain words. Wrong means it's a false. It's a false. Why? See, our tongue touch the teeth. Our tongue touch the teeth while pronouncing certain words. Yes. So this statement is false. So which one is correct? Our tongue touch the teeth while pronouncing certain words. Okay. Next, on either side of the incisors, there are pointed teeth called canines. See, on either side. So incisors are a front teeth. Either side of teeth are called what? Canines. Is this sentence is correct? Yes, it's a correct. So it's a true. So third sentence true statements. See next, fourth one. Molars are called cracking teeth. Molars are called cracking teeth. False. Molars are not cracking teeth. Molars are grinding teeth. See, molars helps to grind the food. So that's why we called molars are grinding teeth. Next one. The outer covering of each tooth is called the enamel. The outer covering of each tooth is called enamel. Yes, it's a true statement. See, fifth one is true statement. See, outer covering of a part, what we call enamel. See, enamel is a very hard substance in our body. Yes or no? Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Next one is what? Fill in the blanks. Yes, first one, there are usually dash permanent teeth. There are usually dash permanent teeth. Yes, normally temporary teeth consists of 20 teeth. Yes or no? So, permanent teeth 32. So, permanent teeth yesterday 32 teeth are there. Next is question. Dash or broad teeth next to the canines. Dash or the broad teeth next to the canines. Premolars. Which one? Premolars. Premolars are the next broad teeth. The canines. Next, teeth are fixed in the dash below your gum. Teeth are fixed in the dash below your gum. Jawbone. Which one? Jawbone. Next, fourth one. Brush your teeth dash a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. In the morning and go to sleep. So before you go to sleep, you just brush your teeth. Next one. Dash is an antibiotic made from a mold. Dash is an antibiotic made from a mold. Penicillin. So which one? Penicillin. See, you know, some microbes are very helpful to us. Yes or no? Some microbes are very helpful to us. Example, penicillin. See, this penicillin, by using these molds, we can prepare, we can make what? Penicillin. See, this is acts like an antibiotic. Okay, it's a treat some diseases. So that's why it's a very helpful to us. Okay, next main is answer the following. So it's a fourth main. So answer the following. Solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ one by one. Okay. First question. What are the functions of teeth? So what are the functions of teeth? Yes, you know, teeth helps us to chew the food. Teeth helps us to chew the food. So it's a first function. And teeth helps us to speak clearly. To speak clearly, it's also helps us. And also its teeth gives a decent look to our face. It gives a decent look to our teeth. So ನಮ್ಮ teeth ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ face ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So see functions of teeth. So normally it helps to chew the food and also it helps us to speak clearly. And this one is a side. So you know it gives a decent look only. Okay, it's not doing any function. Okay, next it helps us to chew the food and also it helps us to speak clearly. Next one. Distinguish between temporary and permanent teeth. Distinguish between temporary and permanent teeth. See, temporary teeth normally grow. So in the time of before 1 year. So 1 year name start agbeku, it started to grow. And the first year the teeth start to grow. By the time they are 3 years old, they have their first set of milk teeth. Yes or no? There are 20 teeth in a temporary teeth or a milk teeth. So 20 teeth are there in a temporary teeth. But in the permanent teeth, there are 32 teeth are there in a permanent teeth. Say permanent teeth consider say how many teeth? 32 teeth. And next one is how many types of teeth has an adult man? How many types of teeth has an adult man? So adult man has 4 types of teeth according to work they do. According to work they do, we classified 4 kinds of teeth. First one incisors, second one canines, third one premolars and fourth one molars. There are 4 kinds of teeth are there in a adult human. Write a short note on the structure of a tooth. Yes, we already learned. Yes or no? There are a structure of a tooth. So now we are going to learn about the structure of a tooth. So short note about structure of a tooth. Yes, our teeth are fixed in the soft pink gums of each jaw. Only a part of us, okay, they are fixed in the jawbone below your gum. The outer covering of each tooth is called enamel. Just below the enamel is a dentin. Just below the enamel is a dentin. See this which is not a hard as enamel, but inside the dentin is a soft pulp. Inside the dentin is the soft pulp. The nerves go through the holes in the tooth into the jawbone. The portion of the tooth above the jaw is called the crown. The portion inside the jawbone is called root. The root is fixed in the gum. The structure of a tooth, once again I will repeat the answer. Our tooth are fixed in the soft pink gums of each jaw. They are fixed in the jawbone below your gum. The outer covering of each tooth is called enamel. Just below the enamel is the dentin. Inside the dentin is a soft pulp. The nerves go through holes in the tooth into the jawbone. The portion of the tooth above the jaw is called the crown. The portion inside the jawbone is called the root. The root is fixed in the gum. Okay. Next question. How do you take care of your teeth? How do you? Yes, you should take care of your teeth. If you not take care of your teeth, it will be decay. It will be get cavities. So that's why you should take care of your teeth. Okay. How do you take care of your teeth? Is brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and go to sleep, and use a floss to clean in between the teeth. Rinse your mouth after each meal, and then visit dentist regularly for checkups. Okay. See, by following these methods we can take care of your teeth. Okay. Next, what are microbes? Where do they grow? So what are microbes? Where do they grow? Microbes are very tiny living organisms. Microbes are very tiny living organisms. We cannot see microbes with our naked eyes. Yes or no? So we cannot see microbes by our naked eyes. See, where do they grow? So microbes can grow everywhere. Yes, you know, microbes can grow everywhere, in air, in the soil, on your hand, and in the side the body, and in the animals, and in the plants. Everywhere we can see everywhere microbes are found. Yes or no? So normally microbes grow rapidly in warmth, cold places, warmth and moist places. It grow rapidly. Yes or no? Okay, my dear students, today we discussed about these all means. Yes or no? Yes, try to, yes, you have, what you have to do, first you have to read the lessons. So read the lesson properly. So lessons na neatagi read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 or 2 times neatagi read ಮಾಡಿ will understood everything. So ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.